This right here is a mess. If you have your jewelry like this, like me, let me know in the comments. Because I have a cluttered mess, and every time I come to look for an earring, it's a mess. I have to go like this. One is either over here, one is here, or both is here and they're buried, and I have to go through each one looking for it. So in order to get my earrings organized, I'm going to use this earring organizer. I have this organizer a while. I don't remember where I bought it. I used to sell jewelry back in the day. So this is old. It swivels, it comes apart from the stand, so it's easy to store. It separates from the stand. This is one piece and the stand is one piece, so you just have to put it together, and that's for storing, to store it properly, that's why. So now I'm just going to do this, and then you can swing it around. I also have another one, which is a flower, but if you look closely you'll see the holes where you can put your earrings. So I'm going to organize my earrings so I can find them and use them, and I'll show you what that looks like.